Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva, of course, and today I'm here with another video for you guys, so let's get into it. For the style I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be using hair from this company called Better Length, and please don't tell me you have never heard about them because they're all over Instagram and YouTube. They specialize in making textures extension, and so I'm always so excited to work with them. This Afro Kinky curly ponytail is 20 inches, and I will give you more details on it as we get closer to the end. First, I'm going to take out a little section in the front and twist it away until I'm done with the back. But as you can see, my part isn't as straight as I would want it to be, but we're not looking for perfect, right? We're just looking for nice, and nice is nice. So I'm just going to use a clip and hold it away for now and go straight to working on the back. This, what I'm holding in my hand, is a stocking cap, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the ring off of it, or the rim I should say. I've used this before for my ponytail, and everybody, especially on TikTok and Instagram, wanted to know what it is that I was using. Here you go, guys. This is what I used. I used the rim of a stocking cap, and it held my ponytail in place like nothing else. To lay my hair down for my ponytail, I'm going to be using my BTL gel, of course, because this will do the job. You guys see me use it for my box braids, but yes, I could use it for this purpose as well. So I'm just going to put it on the outer part of my hair only and brush it in. I don't feel like layering it because I'm not going to be keeping this ponytail in for, a whole week or anything like that. I feel like it works just fine, just putting it on the outside and brush it in. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna grab my string, which I just made, as you saw, and I'm gonna start tying it, placing it in the back and tie it in the front. Now I'm gonna use my hand to brush the back of it up, to keep my hair looking sleek while it's going up, and continue to tie it and bring the hair all the way up to where I want it. And then I'm gonna just keep tying the string until I only have like a little piece left, where I'm gonna just cut that off. Now I'm gonna roll my hair kind of like a dumpling. Y'all know how to make dumpling? Well, if you don't, just do whatever it is that you can with it to make the hair smaller to go under the ponytail. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm doing right here, just to get it out of the way, because I don't want it too puffy under there. Now I'm gonna hook my ponytail in using this clip that you see me showing you right here. I'm just gonna pin it under the front of the bun that I already made, and then there's another one on the back part of it that I'm gonna pin also on the back part of my bun, or under the back part of my bun, before I use the string to pull it tight enough. And then I'm gonna just wrap the string around the ponytail, the root of the ponytail, and then secure it in place using a pin. And now my ponytail is in and secure and right where I want it, but I just have to do something more to it. So in this cute bottle I have here is water, conditioner, and a little bit of oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray that on it to loosen up these curls a little bit. When the curls are moisturized, they're gonna look so much better. So this is a step that definitely you don't want to skip. And as you can see at this point, the ponytail looks so much thinner because it's so wet, but that's okay because when it gets dry, it's gonna poof back up, which is good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this Moisture Miracle curling cream on it. I think I found this in Dollar General. I cannot remember off the top of my head, but I think that's where I found it. So this is gonna soften up my curls and help them to come back to life. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the front because I know you guys want to see how I did it, so let's get into it. I'm gonna separate this in two because I want one going to one side and the other going to the other side, of course. I'm adding some of the gel I was using earlier on it because that's what I'm gonna use to braid in this piece of curly hair that I'm showing you right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid this piece of hair in on my hair, and the way I'm holding the hair is kind of how I'm gonna braid it in, with one side shorter than the other. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some more of that cream onto it because we want juicy curls, you know what I'm saying? We don't want no boring curls. And now that it's nice and juicy like it should, we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. Now I'm absolutely pleased with the way they look, except they're a little too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut them down a little bit. I'm cutting them both together just so they will be on the same length, especially because it's curly hair. When you stretch it, it gets long. When you let it go, it goes back up. So I want to make sure they're on the same length, so I went ahead and cut them together. I'm loving the look of it so far. It came out very satisfying. I'm going to go ahead and do my edges off camera and add some accessories. I'm also going to go ahead and do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. This is the finished look, guys. It came out looking so flawless. I really love this hairstyle. I feel like it's super cute and it could be something you wear for almost any occasion. I added a few accessories, including that cute little butterfly clip, which I believe I found in my local beauty supply store, but I feel like the accessories make such a difference. I mean, you can do this style without the accessories, but I felt like I wanted to do it up a little bit, so I went for it. I do wish the ponytail was somewhat fuller, but then again, it just might be me. I feel like it was thin from before I even added the spray water on it. From just holding it out the pack, I could tell that I might want it to be fuller, and yes, I'm right about that. But then again, like I said, it could just be me. But other than that, it's super gorgeous. I'm so in love with it. The Ponytail Info is 3C4A Afro Kinky Curly, and it's 20 inches and natural color. I will leave all the info, including the link to this hair, for you guys down in the description box, so definitely check that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and try a bun in it. So I'm gonna remove the butterfly clip because I feel like with a hairstyle like this, I just have to try how the bun would look. I like the bun, yes, it's very cute, but I feel like I like it when it was down so much better. But let me know in the comment box what you guys think. Which one you like better? You like the ponytail down or you like the bun better? Anyway, you guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below. I will be sure to get back to them as soon as I possibly can. Remember to check out better length for hair like this that I'm wearing today, or any other textured hair that they may have on their website. I will link the website down below so you guys could easily find it. I also have a discount code for you guys, and I will leave it down in the description box as well as on the screen. As usual, guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.